In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Wix. If you've been considering moving your domain to another hosting provider, this video will guide you through the entire process step by step to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started. First, navigate to the homepage of your Wix account by logging in on the Wix website. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the Settings option. You'll find this in the main navigation menu, usually on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to proceed. Now within the Settings panel, look for the Domains option. This is where you manage your domain configurations. Click on Domains to access the domain management page. If you haven't yet connected a domain to your Wix account via this section, you might see an option to add a new domain or purchase one. However, for our purposes, we are interested in transferring an existing domain away from Wix. Before you begin this process, make sure you find an article or resource that clearly outlines the steps involved in transferring a domain, specifically from Wix, as it can offer additional support and guidance during the process. Next, go to the domain section in your Wix account, find the specific domain you wish to transfer. Once you've located it, click on the domain actions icon. This usually appears as 3 dots next to the domain. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says transfer away from Wix. This selection is crucial for beginning the transfer process. You might see a pop-up illustrating how this action works. This step is informative and serves to reassure you about what you're about to proceed with. After selecting transfer away from Wix, you'll need to review the details regarding the transfer of your domain. It's important to read through this information just to be fully aware of any implications or steps required by your new domain host. Once you've reviewed this information and are comfortable proceeding, click the Transfer Domain button. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision to transfer. Click on I still want to transfer. At this point, Wix will send a transfer authorization code, often referred to as an EPP code, to the registered email address tied to your domain. This code is what you'll need to provide to your new domain host to approve the transfer. Finally, once you receive the authorization code by email, follow the specific instructions given by your new domain host to complete the transfer. Each host may have slightly different procedures, so make sure to consult their support if you're unsure about anything. And there you have it, you've successfully initiated the transfer of your domain from Wix. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Should you have any questions or encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new domain hosting.